Hello, today I'm going to do a project for my customers. It's very important to know the locations of the electrical meter. Depends of the size of your house. If it's a small house, normally you have one main electrical meter. Is going to be located outside around the house. It can be in the back, on the side, in the garage, and you can follow the wires. It comes on the air from utility company, or sometimes the wires comes underground. If it's a large house, normally you're going to have a main panel electrical and then few sub panels inside of your house. It can be in the garage, closet, hallways, utility rooms. The other thing is the gas meter. The gas meter should be located outside, exterior. Each unit, like the furnace, water heater, the dryer, should have their own gas valve to turn off if I need it, to turn off the gas. The water valve for your house, it's going to be located exterior too. Normally it's located next to your exterior gardening hose. It's next to that. It will be located in the front of the house and the back on the side. The entrance to the attic normally is going to be located in the closet and the master bedroom, utility room. The entrance for the cross space is going to be around the house or through the garage, through the closet. If I had to go to the roof, if it's a commercial, normally they have a utility room. You need to have the keys for the utility room and the key for the attic entrance. Sometimes you need to get permission from the homeowner association or from the management of the building. To service your unit, you can call me at my cell phone, 650-333-5145. I work around Sunnyvale, California. I do furnaces, air conditioners, water heaters, fluid heaters, dryers, refrigerators, water heaters. I'm a HVAC contractor and I will be happy to do your project. Thank you.